Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome video which is some crepes. They're super easy to make, it's a super fast recipe and you'll enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need a bowl with 500 milliliters of milk. Now add 15 grams of active yeast and 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let's mix it. Now add 100 grams of manna and mix it together. Now add 500 grams of flour. Mix it together. Now let it sit with the plastic wrap for about an hour or an hour and a half. I'm putting it in my oven so I can make it faster. When it's done, I'm adding 1 by 1 4 eggs. Now I'm adding 50 milliliters of oil and mixing it all together. After, I'm adding the rest 50 milliliters of milk and mixing it all together. Now let it sit again for about 20 or 30 minutes. When it's all done, it should be pretty liquidy. Now let's add in a hot pan some oil and let's cook the pancakes or crepes. I'm cooking my crepes for about 3 or 4 minutes each side on a low heat setting. When they're all done, let them sit and pile them up so they look amazing, and I'm adding some butter on top. They're super fluffy and super delicious, super easy to make too. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching!